And this is news from the Maharashtra Education Minister, who has said now that class 10 and 12 exams will not be conducted before May due to the COVID situation. Normally, both these exams are conducted in February and March. The state government is now mulling to allow schools to start for 9 to 12, classes 9 to 12 from the 23rd of November. Listen in first.
हमने शालेय शिक्षण विभाग की तरफ से राज्य सरकार के सामने ये प्रस्ताव रखा है कि 10th और 12th के एग्जामिनेशन जो है वो मई में रखी जाए, क्योंकि आप भी जानते हैं कि हर साल जो है वो 10th और 12th के एग्जामिनेशन फरवरी और मार्च में होती थी, लेकिन इस साल कोरोना की परिस्थिति की वजह से अभी तक फिजिकली स्कूल शुरू नहीं हुए हैं और कुछ घंटे या कुछ आवर्स रहते हैं जिसका काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। फिर भी हमने 10th और 12th के 25% जो पोर्शन है उसको कम करने का काम किया है और साथ ही में स्कूल जो है वो 10th, 12th, 11th और 9th के जो स्कूल है वो 23rd नवंबर मतलब दिवाली के बाद से इसको शुरू किया जाए।
Let me in fact go across to Mayuresh for more details. Mayuresh, this is extremely important information for students who will be appearing for the 10th and 12th standard exams. So the exams are going to be pushed to May, at least that's what the government is saying right now.
Absolutely, the Maharashtra government yesterday did discuss this issue in the cabinet, and when we had word with Varsha Gaikwad, who is the education minister, she told us that due to this pandemic situation, the schools or the colleges which usually gets open in the month of June, they didn't get open, and that's why this time there is a situation that they have to delay the exams of standard 10th and 12th. These are the two main exams which happens and which are the important exams in the life of the student. Also, there was a discussion that whether Maharashtra government can further extend or this exam or postpone this exam to September. But if that's happen, then it will also impact the further admission of the students, because after 12th or after 10th, many students appear for international schools and international university exams, and their admission process takes after that. So Maharashtra government has decided or they are mulling over basically to conduct the exam in the month of May, but not before the May. Also, Maharashtra government has basically discussed the proposal of starting the schools, especially from standard 9 to 12, because all these 9 to 12, all these standards hold the importance, because 10th standard exam is there. Also in 9th standard, students are basically get prepared for the 10th standard, and same with the 11th. So they are also going to start the physical classes, or they're mulling over to start the physical classes from the 23rd of this month. There's also another aspect regarding the Maratha quota issue, because if you remember, only 11th standard admissions, medical admissions as well as MBA admissions have not happened. Only first round of admission has happened. So Maharashtra government had sought a legal opinion from the Attorney General. By today evening, it is expected that some kind of decision the Maharashtra government will take regarding the Maratha students, as well as regarding the 11th standard, the medical admissions as well as the MBA admissions.
All right, Mayuresh, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.